Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create the Painted Wishes kit. This kit features watercolor florals and heartfelt greetings perfect to help spread kindness. With this kit, you can quickly create 9 cards in 3 designs, and the sentiments come in English, French, German, and Dutch, so you can choose. I'm going to leave these finished cards on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. I like to sort my projects before I get started. That way I know which parts and pieces go with each card. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. This kit is great for beginners because it comes with pre-cut shapes and sentiments that make the cards simple and easy to assemble. As we make these projects, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Look at these cards! Our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity are what make them special. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. I'm excited to have these cards on hand for birthdays, thank yous, and to send sweet notes to friends. Until next time, enjoy!